To create a link to a web page within your content area in Blackboard, you want to first make sure your edit mode is turned on. Then hover over build content and click on web link. It's going to ask you to provide information on the web link. So we'll give it a link to TED Talks. And in the URL, I'm going to paste the URL. And if I want to, I can add some description here about the web page. And I'm going to make sure the link opens in a new window. And once I'm done, I'm going to hit submit. If I scroll down, you'll see I've created a link to TED Talks. So if a user clicks on it, it'll take them to TED Talks.